Hey everybody, this is Hunter. I hope you're having a good day. Today we have something that a lot of you guys on Instagram and TikTok have been asking for, and that is a travel trailer with 2 full queen beds. So I know you guys are going to like this, and thank you for patiently waiting for me. This is the 2021 Alpha Wolf 2DQ-L. Sale price comes in at just below $24,000. Smackaroonies, brand spanking new. And this thing is a great floor plan. Right off the bat, we got the outdoor kitchen right there with a teeny little fridge. Got your 2 top burners. And then you got a little ice maker. Who doesn't like that kind of touch? I know I sure do. And then when we head on right in, I'm going to show you the first of 2 queen beds. Like I said, dual queen travel trailer. There is not many of these out there. They are hard to find. They sell quickly, so you got to jump on them when you can, especially under $24,000. They have the smaller storage underneath the bed there. You have some great counter space or cabinetry, closet space right in there, so you can hang a couple items, put some shoes in there or whatever you got to do. I don't know. You have more storage above the bed, and you go out here, and I do like this living room with the accent lighting. You have a place to sleep some people here, or use it as the U-shaped dinette for dinner, playing cards. You got plenty of storage underneath. Just pulls right on out there, and you are good to go. Pack in a whole lot of extra stuff. That goes the entire depth of that dinette, as you'll see right here, so you know you got plenty of space. And right here you have a jackknife sofa, and underneath, which is not pictured, there is some space to put some extra stuff in there, maybe a tub or 2. You know, of some clothes, some maintenance items, little knickknacks here or there. Just a nice little added touch that they do to make your camping just a little bit more convenient. You have your typical oven. You got some cabinet spacing. And this oven right here, although it's on the smaller side, it does have some cool features like this little light. You can bake on some cookies, you know, some pizza rolls, anything really like that. You're good to go. A really nice 3 stovetop burner right there. Black stainless steel. Plenty of counter space. And right here they snuck in a little storage, and there are USB ports quite literally everywhere on this camper. We all know how everything's switching over to USB, and they do a good job of getting that taken care of. Charge all your cell phones, your iPads, all that kind of good stuff. You're good to go. Right there you can put a pretty large TV. You have all your hookups above. We all know what this is, and if you don't, they labeled the door so you can clearly tell. Pantry, baby. Plenty of space to put all your food. And right here it's a little sticker telling you that there's zebra shades in the main area, so obviously I have to show you those. It is a nice touch that a lot of campers are starting to do now, and the Alpha Wolves especially. And check that out. You can block it out, you can let the sun in, you can do a little mixture, however you want to do. Just some nice shades to go there. And right here is the bathroom, which has dual entry, one from the bedroom, well I guess 3, inside the camper and outside. Some good storage right here, your sink, some more storage. I do like how the shower is not overly cramped. The bathroom, it does feel a little bit larger than it truly is, and that's always a good feeling. I love how you can have access when you guys are getting muddy, go straight into the bathroom. You know, it's just a nice thing to have. And there's the other door to the bedroom there. And then underneath the bed, you got plenty of storage, a little bit larger than the one that's in the back of the coach. And to the left and to the right, you do have some more storage there to hang some more clothes or more items, whatever you got to fit in there. More USB ports and an outlet. If you got a CPAP, there's a place to put it there. Storage above. This camper, they just do a really good job. I really like selling these Alpha Wolves and the Arctic Wolves. They're well built, well priced, featured out to the gills. It's really it's a really great price point travel trailer for the family, or in this case, you know, maybe a couple. It's a beautiful day out here, just checking out the inventory. I thank you guys very much for watching. Please make sure to like and subscribe. Have a good one, guys.